Bashukovich family recipe. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Ding! Ding, ding! Some of these, 2 of those. Chop up some of that like that. Ding! Some of whatever this is. And spaghetti, easy. Time for an old Bashukovich family recipe. Pesto spaghetti-o. Mwah! Just like a mama used to make. Order up! Mwah! Just like a mama used to make.
Let's make that tomato salad. First, we slice the tomato.
They may be bigger, but that doesn't mean they're better.
Pepper, would you like to taste one?
Yes, please.
Add a little splash of olive oil, a shake of pepper, a teeny tiny pinch of salt, and finish the whole thing off with these lovely...
Yummy. That is the best tomato.
Basil leaves. Tuck in, everyone!
Marvellous tomatoes.
Thanks to my greenhouse. Beautiful basil.
Thanks to my greenhouse.
This is the best tomato salad in the world ever.